So today I want to show you how to cancel your E-Trade automatic transfers. Now we're here on the homepage of E-Trade, as you can see right over here. And the first thing we're going to want to do is actually go to our transfer tab, which is going to be right up here towards the right hand side of the screen. Now, when you go over it, it is going to give you a bunch of different options. You can just go ahead and tap on the transfer section. Now, while we go through this process, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below so we can make more free content just like this. So now that we're on this actual page right over here, you're gonna have a couple different options here towards the very top. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on where it says activity. And now from this section right over here, you're gonna see some of the statuses of the transfers that you have going on. Anything with a check mark shows that it is completed, but anything with this little timer here typically means that you have some automatic frequent transfers going on. So if we actually go across from here, you're going to see all the information here, and you're going to see an action with this edit button or a trash can. Now, if you just want to change things up, you can hit the edit button, but if you want to go ahead and completely remove it, just hit the delete button, go through the confirmation pages, and you are going to be all good to go. Now, if you need to withdraw your money from E-Trade, you're going to check out this video right over here, or if you want to go ahead and learn how to buy and sell on E-Trade, check out my other video right over here.